Hello everyone.
Today we are going to sail on the sea.
Yes. So we have come up with a very beautiful project today, which kids will love making, even the elders will love making, and we are going to make lots of things today in the project which we are doing, and it's completely having so many things in it, all related to the sea and sea creatures. So we are going to make some sea and mermaid soaps as well as sea themed candle. So let's check out what all things we need. We need some silicone molds. I have taken the molds in different shapes. Then we need soap color as well as soap fragrance. I have taken blue color and aqua fragrance. Then glycerine base and goat's milk soap base. Then these are some toy fishes which we will be embedding in the soap. Then there's a glass for making the gel candle. Then some colored sand, some candle color, some glitters, some seashells, again some plastic fishes and gel wax. So without further ado, let's start making our project.
At first we will place the fishes in the silicone mold.
Yes, because we are going to make the soaps first. So these are the circular molds in which Sia is helping me to place the fishes. Yes, perfect. So this is how she has placed the fishes, and now I have chopped the glycerine soap base into small pieces. I'll melt it and get back to you. I have melted the soap base. Now let's put 6 to 7 drops of fragrance oil. I am using aqua fragrance, and I'm not adding any color to these because our fishes are colorful. So gently pour it inside the mold. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I'll request you to kindly subscribe to my channel. I'll melt some more and pour it in the orange one. Now I'm adding 2 to 3 drops of blue color to my clear soap base, and I'll just mix it with the help of stirrer. So this is how it is, and now let's pour it first into a shell mold. This is a seashell mold, and then into our mermaid tail mold. Now spray some rubbing alcohol to get rid of the bubbles. Now I have this mermaid mold in which I'll be making the goat's milk soap base.
I have added 3 drops of green color in the soap base, and I will now pour this into the mermaid mold.
Okay. So we have taken goat's milk soap base over here. Pour it slowly. Yes, come on. Correct, perfect. Pour it till the top. That's it. That's it. Now pass me the rubbing alcohol. So since you can see so many bubbles, we will spray some rubbing alcohol. Now all these soaps we have to allow them to set for good half an hour, and then we will ready to demold them. So till the time our soaps are getting set, let's start making the candle. So at first just put the colored sand like this. I have purposely chosen blue and white color to give a sea theme effect. You can see. So like this you have to make layers. Now I am taking these small fishes and placing them into the sand. Place them in a manner so that they are visible. Also some seashells. Just fix the fish, because when you move it, the embellishments also start moving. So yeah, now I will be melting the gel wax and come back to you. So I have melted the gel wax and I am adding this blue color, just a tinge of blue color I have taken on the skewer, and I'll add it because I need a very light shade of blue. Even if you keep it transparent, that is okay, because we have already added the fishes and the colorful sand.
Let's demold the soaps.
So gently we have to take out the soaps from the mold. This is the shell soap. Now the mermaid tail. With the help of a knife, just scrap off the extra. And now the dolphins and the seahorses. You can see how beautiful this color has come out. I have already demolded this cute mermaid which we made in goat's milk soap base. And now our fishes. So gently take them off. You can see how beautiful the fishes are looking. Other two. This way all our beautiful soaps are ready. And after the soaps, this is how our candle was looking. And I will just place the till light in this and lit the till light and show it to you. But before that, if you like the video, kindly subscribe to my channel so that I can come up with such amazing ideas of soaps and candles. And do give your comments in the comment box. And thanks so much for watching this video. Bye bye.